Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is AG Update. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to participate in the TabiZoo airdrop campaign to maximize your chance of getting some Tabi reward in the future. So this project is owned by Tabi Chain. So Tabi Chain is a project I've been talking for long. So I know a lot of you know Tabi Chain. Tabi Chain is a project that is backed by Binance, Hashkey Capital, and Animoca Brands and more. And Tabi Chain raised a fund of $27 million from various investors. So this is not a tap to earn airdrop. This airdrop is stress free. What you just need to do is to mine. Then every 8 hours you visit your Telegram account and you claim it. So according to Tabi Chain team, they said they are going to convert this to Tabi Chain at TGE, and TGE is around the corner. So stay tuned to my channel because I'm going to keep you guys updated. So for you to start guys, this is what you need to do. So I'm going to drop a link at the description of this video. Click on the link, then it's going to direct you to your Telegram account, and I'm also going to drop it in my Telegram group as well for those of you that are interested. So looking on the screen guys, you can also earn without even referring someone to join, because I got this 1.3 million without even referring one single person. So if you click on earn, you can see I've not referred anybody, so I just got this without referring someone because I hardly do any campaign that involves referral. But because this project is mainly owned by Tabi Chain, that's why I'm even making a video about it, because it's going to be promising and they are going to convert this to the Tabi token at TGE. So now guys, this is what you need to do. So after clicking on the link, then it's going to direct you to your Telegram. You just need to click on start. There are different ways by which you can earn. You can earn by mining, you can earn by participating in tags, and you can earn by referring your friends to join. And if you perform some daily tasks, you can earn Tabi. So now for you to start, what you need to do is to visit the link at the description of this video. Click on it. If you click on it, it's going to show you something like this. You just need to click on start. Alright guys, so you click on start. They are going to give you 10,000 coin as reward. Learn about Tabi to receive a 10,000 coin reward. So you click on claim now. What is Tabi? Make sure to get some knowledge. You click next. It's going to bring you here. For you to join their TG channel, you click go. Alright, click go, you click join. Then after that you click check. Successful. Follow them on X. You click here. If you want to follow them, fine. If you want to just exit it back, click here, then you click next. Now what you just need to do, congratulations, you have received 10,000 Chiro. So you just click on get more. So after clicking on get more, they will automatically start the mining for you. So every 8 hours you visit here and get some rewards. So you can also earn by clicking on check in. So if you click on check in, just click on claim. So today for the first check in, I'm going to get 500. So you click on claim. So you can see I got 20,500. Okay, so if you click on mine, you're going to see some tasks to perform for you to get some TabiZoo token. So visit this bot. So you click on here. Let's see. I'm not going to visit it. Just click go. You can click start if you want, but I normally bypass this because I don't want to participate in too much play to earn. So fail, so you can participate in it if you want to get some Tabi. So visit their channel, visit here. Alright, so done, join, click check, done. So if you visit this bot, and just visit the bot so that I can claim some Tabi Chain reward. I'm not sure I'm going to participate in the campaign because I'm not a huge fan of Telegram airdrop. Normally go for the one with potential. Okay, task completed, so you need to wait for some time so that you can come and claim the reward. So go back. Okay, congratulations, you have received blah blah blah. So you click on confirm. So let's see here. Go, I've performed this already. So Tabi, click on check, done. Okay, so now I can claim the reward. Claim the reward, done. So now you participate in this campaign. see the bot, just click here. You don't need to, just click start and maybe you can exit it. And now you click this, visit here, click check, done. Visit the Telegram group. Just click done. Then you click here to check, done. So then you click here, want to exit it. All right, yes. So click here to leave the channel. Want to leave the channel. Now click claim. I click confirm. Okay, done. Now you visit here and see I got 220. So if you click on N, you can perform some tasks like join their TG group. Okay, join. Now go back, you click check, confirm. Now invite 3 friends. So if you want to invite, fine. If you don't want to invite, fine. So you click on airdrop. Now you click on join TG. Alright, so already there. So you leave it for some time. Airdrop address. So for those of you that participated in the TABI Airdrop campaign, if you participated in the quest or the testnet, or you converted some feathers to GG token, what you need to do is to copy your EVN address and paste it here. So if you know you've not even participated in the TABI testnet campaign or quest or converting feathers to GG, just go and copy your EVN address and come and paste it here, be it MetaMask address or maybe any EVN at all. I recommend you using MetaMask. So in my other account, I've already pasted it. Alright, so you see the address, I've already pasted it. After you paste it, just click on confirm. So that is what you need to do. So now after that, what you just need to do is to click on connect Tone wallet. Alright guys, so now what you need to do is to connect a wallet in Telegram. So for those of you that don't know how to open a Telegram wallet and using your Telegram account, I made a video on it, so make sure to check the description of this video for the video link to see how you can open a wallet using your Telegram account. So after creating the wallet, or if you already have a Telegram wallet, you click on open wallet in Telegram. But if you have like Tonekeeper or my Tone wallet or Tone Hubs or any of these wallets, what you just need to do is to just click on open wallet in Telegram. So what you just need to do is to connect your wallet. So if you click on open wallet in Telegram, it's going to show you option to connect. You connect, then you're good to go. So I already have an account which I'm using. Alright, sorry, click airdrop. So I've already connected my wallet. So if you want to disconnect, you can disconnect it. Fine. So this is what you need to do. Alright guys, so after connecting your wallet, then you can invite your friends if you want. So like I said guys, I got this without inviting anybody. So the best way to earn is by staying active every hours and performing these tasks. Then if you invite somebody, I think they are going to give you 5,000 per one. So if you perform these daily tasks, you can claim this point as well. Follow on X, join this. So now what you need to do after getting the point, so I've not connected my wallet in this account yet, is to upgrade your level. So I decided to upgrade my level to level 10, but you can upgrade your level. So if you click here, upgrade. So I just decided for my first campaign to just upgrade my level. So I'm just going to click on upgrade level 4. So they are going to debit from your TABI point. So upgrade, 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 upgrade. So level 10. So I just decided to stop at level 10, but I think I'm going to stay upgrade. So the more you upgrade, the more your points pace. So the more you upgrade. Okay, now I'm to get 13,167%. If I had to upgrade it to level 10, upgrade level 10, it's going to increase. So the more they upgrade, the more your profit. So if you can upgrade it to level 15 or level 20, I think we are safe. So guys, I would love to hear from you on what you think about this at the comment section. If this video was helpful, please give it a like. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit on the subscription button. And this is AG Update, your friend in crypto. Thank you guys, and minimal grains to your wallet.